The technology hidden inside the Great Pyramids. For over 4,000 years, the Great Pyramids of Egypt have stood in silence. They have survived earthquakes, erosion, and the passage of empires. They were built without steel, engines, or electricity. And yet, their precision continues to challenge modern understanding. This is not a story of lost civilizations or hidden power sources. It is a careful exploration of the technology, engineering, and knowledge embedded inside the Great Pyramids, and what science still cannot fully explain. 1. The scale of the achievement. The Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed around 2560 BCE. It originally stood at 146.6 meters tall and consists of approximately 2.3 million stone blocks. Most blocks weigh between 2 and 3 tons, while some internal stones exceed 50 tons. Even by modern standards, moving and placing material at this scale requires careful planning, logistics, and precision. This immediately raises a question. What technology did the ancient Egyptians actually possess? 2. Stone cutting without modern tools. No iron tools were used in pyramid construction. Iron would not become widespread in Egypt for more than 1,000 years. Instead, evidence points to copper tools, stone hammers, sand-based abrasion techniques. Granite blocks, some quarried hundreds of kilometers away, were shaped with remarkable accuracy. Microscopic analysis of tool marks shows consistent patterns, but the speed, uniformity, and precision of the cuts remain debated. The tools are known. The full process is not. 3. Transporting massive stones. Most limestone blocks came from nearby quarries, but granite was transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. The most widely accepted theory involves sleds pulled over wetted sand, organized labor teams, seasonal Nile flooding for transport. Experiments have confirmed that wet sand reduces friction significantly. However, the logistics required to coordinate millions of such movements remain extraordinary. The system worked. Its exact organization remains partially speculative. 4. Precision alignment and measurement. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with an error margin of less than 0.05 degrees. This level of accuracy is difficult even with modern instruments. Ancient surveyors likely used stellar alignment, shadow measurements, simple yet precise geometric methods. No written records describe the exact technique used. What we know is the result, not the full method. 5. Internal design and engineering. Inside the pyramid lies a complex internal structure. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, the Grand Gallery, a network of shafts and corridors. The King's Chamber is constructed from massive granite blocks arranged to distribute weight away from the chamber itself. Above it, a series of relieving chambers prevent collapse. This is not accidental architecture. It is deliberate structural engineering. 6. Ventilation shafts or something else. Narrow shafts extend from the King's and Queen's chambers. They were once thought to be ventilation channels, but some do not reach the exterior. Modern analysis suggests symbolic alignment with stars, ritual or religious significance, or unknown functional purposes. Robotic exploration has revealed sealed stone blocks and unexplored cavities. These are not evidence of advanced machines, but they do indicate unfinished knowledge. 7. Acoustic and thermal properties. Researchers have observed unusual acoustic behavior inside certain chambers. Sound waves resonate strongly in specific areas. Temperature variations remain surprisingly stable inside the pyramid. These effects are consistent with the pyramid's mass, geometry, and stone composition. Whether these properties were intentional or incidental is still debated. No evidence suggests energy generation, but the physical behavior is real. 8. What modern science explains well. Modern archaeology and engineering explain quarrying methods, basic transport mechanics, structural stability, material durability. There is no credible evidence of advanced lost technology, electricity, or external intervention. The pyramids are human-built. What makes them remarkable is not mystery, but capability. 9. What remains uncertain. What we do not fully understand. The exact construction timeline. The full labor organization model. The precise surveying techniques. The symbolic purpose of some internal features. The absence of written construction records leaves gaps. These gaps invite questions, but not speculation without evidence. The Great Pyramids do not hide impossible technology. They reveal something more important: human intelligence, organization, and ingenuity, applied with patience, precision, and purpose. What remains uncertain does not diminish science. It reminds us that knowledge is always incomplete. If this documentary encouraged thoughtful curiosity, consider liking the video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub. Because understanding the past helps us understand what humans are capable of, without myth and without exaggeration.